After I received first results, I came to the point that maybe HTML and CSS could help me really to solve my homework. Then I start to read the second book that Alexander provided me. Actually, he gave me the list of the courses and the books that I can read, but it's very wide. So the most important books were study PHP and this course of HTML and CSS. So then I started to follow this course with the hope that it may give me some awareness and understanding what are the tools in the HTML and CSS, because I was not really understanding what is the field of applying, the field of abilities of PHP, what PHP can do for website the functioning, and what CSS, what HTML can do. So to become familiar with that, I started this course and I start to execute the tasks along with the theory. So I done like this different with VS Code. I start to do different tasks there, and it was the beginning. Then this is the lesson 3. Actually, the total is 12 lessons. This lessons was maybe related to the colors. Then next one was related to different forms, left and right side. This is 4th lesson. Then 5th lesson was also, there are different stages. Then 6th lesson became like this. I'm a builder. Many nice to make links and working with the fonts, working with the backgrounds. Lesson 7 and buttons I be able to make, and working with the pictures. This lesson was related to the video and audio, how to put it to make the maps also, and yeah. Then lesson 10 was related to different forms. That was my expectation, and here I was be able to use the special forms related to day and time. Actually, this form I was applied in my application, in my homework, and many different things. That was my training field, username and password, like this, login, everything. Then 11 lesson also was related maybe to the tables, and then after finish that I understood that actually I should make a proper plan how to planning my time. So then what I done is I made a plan. This is Alexander gave me the homework, and then I made a plan. Actually I fix what I had been done already, what material and what during 8 days, and then I made a plan for the next few days. So after finishing HTML and CSS, I realized that I completely forgot my PHP, and then I messaged to Alexander that I have faced this stage. He said, "Okay, no problem. That happens time to time." So what happened next? I start to after making a proper plan for the last time, I finished this 12 lesson course of HTML and CSS. That was my final result, what I had been done, and this is the page that was created finally, like this. And then I start to manage my own project. First it was looking like this, not working everything properly, and so many supported things for the checking I had used also to see the arrays and all. Then I tried to make a read function that it could be taken from the CSV file and display this database on in our web browser. Then I even more tested and wrote. Actually, it took me quite a lot of time, maybe 6, 7, 8 hours a day I was spent, but finally I came to some things. And the final result was like this. Actually, within less than 2 weeks, I could be able to realize this project. It took me maybe 40 or 50 PHP and HTML files written by myself, and maybe some uh, 80 or 90 hours of education, thinking, typing, coding, etc. I had been seeing maybe 20, 25 videos on YouTube how to programming, and finally I came to the point. All 4 functions. This is create function. This is read function that displays, and then I start from delete function. It was more easy for me. It's nicely working, and also this is update function. Here we can update even date and time, so it can be changed. For example, this 7th of October 523 we update to the AM 7:27, and it's everything nicely working. So I want to keep forward and continue this education, and I'm very grateful for Alexander to give me ability to take part in this project. And also I understood that planning is also very important, so I start to make a master plan for the last part of the week, and also I do some daily schedule that what is expecting and what is in fact what was happening. So thank you very much. Next videos are supposed to come for review. Thank you very much.